Hey, how is everybody? Well, as you can see, kind of aftermath. We had a blizzard here the other day and got ranging reports anywhere from about 8 to about 14 inches of snow right around this area. I'm trying to walk out here so you guys can see the timber. Snow's pretty deep here, so it might take me a few minutes to get up here. We had about 45 to 50 mile an hour winds, and for the town we live in, it virtually got shut down. The emergency services couldn't get anywhere. They're still having problems with the cars and trucks and stuff like that driving through town. One really cool thing, if you look, you can see all the different branches, twigs, all that kind of stuff. And believe it or not, they're actually calling for another snowstorm, about 3 more snowstorms this week. Something's been walking there. Right up that hill. And I have been sending out a lot of requests and stuff like that. All you other YouTubers out there, I'm trying to connect up to you to be friends, and been sending a lot of people over to my Facebook and my Instagram. You can see how the snow just whipped around the trees. We had some really high winds. I say the snow's almost up to my knees, so I'm not going to go very far, but wanted to get you guys some pictures because I realize there's a lot of people that don't even know what snow is like. And let me tell you, it's very wet. Really hard to drive on this kind. And it's about 15 degrees here. It's supposed to go down to, I think, around 10 or something like that tonight. Now I would hit, whoa, 5 points. Slid down the hill, 5 points. Now I would take you guys out on the lake, but I want to give some safety warning right now. You notice out there, it looks really covered with snow, like it would be frozen and you could walk on it. Looks can be deceiving. You see right here, where you can see the water, and this almost looks like just a frozen over mud puddle. Never walk out on that. Because, and I know this lake pretty good, so I'm just going to stand right here because I know what's underneath me right down. Plus you can see the rock, but there's actually some wood, stuff like that down here. But if you guys look, really, it'd be kind of cool to do some snow angels or snowmobile or something if it was completely frozen. But like I say, I don't trust that right there. So if I was to go ahead and walk out there, probably get to, if I could even make it to the snow right there, I'd probably get pretty ankle deep, and then you go out and then you're in trouble. So definitely, if you ever see water like this, look around the edges and how you see the water and everything right here. Not safe to walk on. So you don't want to go out there and end up getting in trouble or falling through the ice and you'd freeze before anybody would find you. But it's still pretty cool for some nature shots. I'm trying to get some more videos on here. So, like I say, I have been basically trying to get more videos up and along, but I've been super busy here lately. But definitely send me a friend request on either Facebook or follow me on Instagram. Because definitely I'd like to, meet a lot of people and, get to be friends with you guys and all that stuff. I hope to be on here full time before too long, but Good things take time, right? Isn't that pretty though? Couple inches of snow up on all those branches and twigs. Wind's kicking up. Boy, from the view now, you'd never know that how bad it was a couple days ago. But I'm sure a lot of you folks have seen the news and seen how bad the blizzard was and all that. Some birds looking for some seeds or berries or something. Now, if you see these red berries right here, a lot of the cardinals and birds like that, and from what I've always heard, I believe those are poisonous to humans. But a lot of the birds like them, especially the cardinals and stuff, for winter. But we're supposed to get a bunch more snow. So, but what do you expect? We live where it snows, so you got to get used to it. But I'm going to go ahead and cut off for now. But I want to thank each and every one of you folks for continually watching my videos. It means a lot to me, and I like checking my YouTube channel and seeing all the views. Give me a thumbs up if you like them. Put a comment below if there's something else you think I could do that you guys would like to watch. So and share this on your social media channels. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to. I'd greatly appreciate it. And send me a friend request on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay warm.